We're back at 12431 Maytell Court. You probably just saw our super lengthy video of the first 2 floors. I wanted to show you the basement as well. So this is a to be continued. Let's take a look. You've got a nice hidden staircase going down to the basement. Brand new carpet, brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring in this area. So we can get some lights on for you. You have a full bathroom, includes a tiled shower with seat, and this provides access to what could be considered the bedroom and the kitchenette. Take a look. So luxury vinyl plank flooring. You've got a sink, plenty of white cabinetry, a stove, a nice little nook if you wanted to put a refrigerator in here. And then this would be a perfect spot to put some dressers, an entertainment area. And the previous owner had a bed here. And as you can see, there are windows and a door that provides access to the back patio. You do have a walk-in closet around this little corner. And then if we keep moving through these French doors, we have a fabulous theater room. So you can see you could have your seating there. You could use this as a pool table room too if you'd like. Recessed lighting. You've got your surround sound speakers, all your HDMI hookups. Brand new carpet in this room too. 2 more things to show you in the basement and we'll conclude our tour of 12431 Maytell Court. Got other closet space. This makes a fantastic recreation room. You could have it as a playroom, pool table in here, foosball table, whatever you like. And then check out the storage. Besides all the closets you've seen, look at this awesome basement storage. Fully insulated, tons of space to store your stuff. And there you have it, 12431 Maytell Court, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28277. All 3 stories of this 5,000 plus square foot home. It's gorgeous, 705,000. Come take a look this weekend. Give us a call.